Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, wa kafa wa salamun ala ibadi alladhina istafa amma ba'd, fawzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. My honorable elder and younger, my dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today's our topic also nature of politics in Islam. In this regard, part 6 will be described now about political system, necessity for a normal procedure of change in government. The Prophet of Islam did not lay down categorically any exact procedure for change in government. The Prophet and the first four caliphs, however, laid down two general principles: the repudiation of hereditary succession. Second, a truly Islamic government must be based on popular consent. The second principle has been concretely demonstrated by the Khulafai Rashidin through the method of election by the people and selection by the elite, or normalization by the outgoing caliph, and general confirmation by the people. The nebulous nature of Muslim public opinion with regard to procedure of governmental change made for chaos and confusion in Muslim societies and paved the way for the rule of force and usurpation as acceptable and permanent. No jurist of Islam, however, recommended a despotic government perfectly on the lines of Habitian, Levitian. If the ruler shows symptom of manifest oppression and un-Islamic behavior, the duty will be under exceptional circumstances to stand against him as the quicker and more acceptable method. But this is only in exceptional cases and where there exists an absolute necessity of doing so and the capacity to carry it through. The dignity of man and the right of election had always been deemed fundamental principles. Thus, the procedure of change in government in crisis is well laid down, but the democratic method of normally and peacefully changing the government must be evolved in all Muslim society with a view to creating a stable political and social order. In Islam, party system as a political phenomena. The party system constitutes the lifeline of modern politics. It has a distinct pattern and particular mode of organization. Parties, although not wanted in Islam, emerge out of differences of political opinion. Thus, strife and discord led to the practical recognition of parties among Muslims and reached its height in the rise of the Kharjis or the ultra-democrat of Islam. In the modern political system in Islam, differing fundamentally on some of the aim of modern party politics. The party system should be reoriented in the light of Islam and viewed by modern Muslims as a normal and positive phenomenon rather thus as a negative deviation. My dear brother and sister, in this regard, part 7 will be described on the other day. Wa khudawana anil hamdulillah rabbil alameen.